No way, is that real?
You're gonna love this.
Behold, perfection. I am officially the richest villain ever.
This can't be happening. We need to do something fast.
Give me a best one now.
What? Oh, ho, ho, yeah. Take that, Joker.
I can't lose this flex battle.
I want the biggest, baddest one.
Yes! 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 So, about my car?
This is all I got. Ta-da!
Look, it has wheels.
Please, I need a miracle.
Say, no way. Now, go get something legendary.
Finally!
This is beautiful.
Okay, that's our next level. Told you, Spidey.
Subscribe for more.